Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Here, you'll improve your English speaking through simple and easy practice. Today, we're going to practice talking about my family in English.
You'll learn how to introduce your family and talk about your family members in simple and natural English.
Listen carefully to each sentence. Repeat after me and speak with confidence. Practice every sentence aloud. Let's get started!
Today, I'd like to tell you about my family. Today, I'd like to tell you about my family. There are 5 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. I live with my family. I live with my family. We are a happy family. We are a happy family. I live with my parents. I live with my parents. I have a brother. I have a brother. I have a sister. I have a sister. My father is a hard-working person. My father is a hard-working person. He works very hard for our family. He works very hard for our family. He always supports our family. He always supports our family. I learn many good things from my father. I learn many good things from my father. My mother is kind and caring. My mother is kind and caring. She takes good care of our family. She takes good care of our family. She always encourages me. She always encourages me. I learn kindness from my mother. I learn kindness from my mother. My brother is very friendly. My brother is very friendly. He always helps me. He always helps me. We enjoy spending time together. We enjoy spending time together. My sister is kind and cheerful. My sister is kind and cheerful. She always makes me smile. She always makes me smile. We enjoy talking to each other. We enjoy talking to each other. We respect each other. We respect each other. We help each other whenever we can. We help each other whenever we can. We enjoy having meals together. We enjoy having meals together. We celebrate festivals together. We celebrate festivals together. We spend quality time together. We spend quality time together. My family always supports me. My family always supports me. I feel happy when I am with my family. I feel happy when I am with my family. I love my family very much. I love my family very much. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful family. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful family. My grandparents are very loving. My grandparents are very loving. They always care about our family. They always care about our family. I enjoy spending time with my grandparents. I enjoy spending time with my grandparents. They tell me interesting stories. They tell me interesting stories. I learn many valuable lessons from them. I learn many valuable lessons from them. We love spending time together. We love spending time together. We enjoy talking to each other every day. We enjoy talking to each other every day. We trust each other. We trust each other. We share our happiness together. We share our happiness together. We also share our problems with each other. We also share our problems with each other. We always support each other. We always support each other. We eat breakfast together whenever possible. We eat breakfast together whenever possible. We enjoy having dinner together every evening. We enjoy having dinner together every evening. We celebrate birthdays together. We celebrate birthdays together. We celebrate festivals with great joy. We celebrate festivals with great joy. We enjoy going out together on weekends. We enjoy going out together on weekends. We make many happy memories together. We make many happy memories together. Everyone in my family loves and respects each other. Everyone in my family loves and respects each other. My family teaches me good values. My family teaches me good values. They always encourage me to work hard. They always encourage me to work hard. They support me in every situation. They support me in every situation. I always feel safe with my family. I always feel safe with my family. I feel happy whenever I am with them. I feel happy whenever I am with them. I am proud to be a member of my family. I am proud to be a member of my family. My family is my biggest strength. My family is my biggest strength. I am thankful for my wonderful family. I am thankful for my wonderful family. I love my family with all my heart. I love my family with all my heart. I feel lucky to have such a loving family. I feel lucky to have such a loving family. We enjoy celebrating special days together. We enjoy celebrating special days together. We always make beautiful memories together. We always make beautiful memories together. We like taking family photos together. We like taking family photos together. We enjoy going on family trips. We enjoy going on family trips. We love watching movies together. We love watching movies together. We also enjoy playing games together. We also enjoy playing games together. My family always listens to me. My family always listens to me. They understand my feelings. They understand my feelings. They always give me good advice. They always give me good advice. They encourage me to follow my dreams. They encourage me to follow my dreams. I can share everything with my family. I can share everything with my family. I never feel alone because of my family. I never feel alone because of my family. My family gives me love and happiness. My family gives me love and happiness. They always stand by me in difficult times. They always stand by me in difficult times. They make me feel confident and strong. They make me feel confident and strong. I always try to make my family proud. I always try to make my family proud. I am grateful for everything they do for me. I am grateful for everything they do for me. Family is the most important part of my life. Family is the most important part of my life. I feel blessed to have such a wonderful family. I feel blessed to have such a wonderful family.
Great job! You're doing really well. Before we continue, if you're enjoying these English speaking lessons, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's move to some medium-level sentences. This time, don't wait for the text, just read and speak with me. Ready? Let's begin our shadowing practice.
Today, I'd like to tell you about my family. There are 5 people in my family. I live with my parents, my brother, and my sister. We are a happy family. My father is a hard-working person, and he works very hard for our family. He always supports our family, and I learn many good things from him. My mother is kind and caring, and she takes good care of our family. She always encourages me, and I learn kindness from my mother. My brother is very friendly, and he always helps me. We enjoy spending time together, and we have a lot of fun. My sister is kind and cheerful, and she always makes me smile. We enjoy talking to each other, and we always respect each other. We help each other whenever we can, and we enjoy having meals together. We celebrate festivals together, and we spend quality time as a family. My grandparents are very loving, and they always care about our family. They tell me interesting stories, and I learn many valuable lessons from them. We always support each other, and we share our happiness and our problems. We enjoy going out together on weekends, and we make many happy memories together. My family teaches me good values, and they always encourage me to work hard. They support me in every situation, so I always feel safe with my family. I feel happy whenever I am with my family, and I am proud to be a member of my family. My family is my biggest strength, and I feel lucky to have such a wonderful family.
Great work! You practiced how to talk about your family in English today. Now, it's your turn. Write 3 sentences about your family in the comments. Try to use the sentences you learned today and share your answer with us. Keep practicing every day, and step by step, you'll improve your English speaking skills. See you in the next lesson. Bye!